Your bib is very outdated. This is not Tyson's first Christmas. This is Tyson's first spring almost. You got the bread! Good job! Did it all by yourself. Such a big boy now. Such a big boy. Tyson, what do you have in your mouth? Bread? You need some more? How about peach? That's kind of hard to get. You want some more bread? He's eating blueberry bagels. There you go. Blueberry bagel. Good job, buddy. You did it all. Oh, it stuck to your lip. It stuck to your lip. Uh-oh, dropped it on your bib. You need help? There it is. Good job.